Hey guys, welcome back to another installment of utilizing a Weber kettle using the snake method to smoke food. Today we're going to do a poor man's brisket, or a chuck roast if you will. I am in beautiful southern Illinois, the middle of nowhere. As you can see, there's corn as far as the eye can see. July 4th is approaching us, and I'm going to show you how we celebrate America's birthday. This is a nice tree. Being that it's America's birthday and all, I feel kind of underdressed. I feel like I should be wearing something more patriotic. Oh, much better. America. Alright guys, here she is. Here's the snake that we're going to be using. So we're going to go with some lower heat today for this chuck roast. It's a 3.5 pound chuck roast that we're going to season with salt and pepper. So 2 rows. If you want to see how I do this, the first installment of the Weber kettle snake method videos is going to be right up here, right now. So you can check that out and you can see how I build this. So 2 rows, remember to leave that gap there so you can only light one side and it doesn't light the other and burn both ways. We just want to go slowly around. So I'm going to go in and season the chuck roast and then we'll get this thing on here. For smoke today we're going to be using apple and cherry chips. Again, we like that flavor profile around here, so again, just sprinkle some chips on the outside in the beginning of the snake, probably around halfway. Don't need a whole lot. That was about 3 handfuls spread out from start to halfway. Do the same thing with this apple here. Alright, got the chuck roast in there seasoning up right now with salt and pepper, mustard as a binder. So I'm going to get this lit. We'll start burning and I'll throw it on. We'll cover the lid and we won't look at it for a couple hours. Alright, snake's going, chuck roast is on. We're just going to cover that lid. And while we wait, we Americanate. Alright guys, so I gotta be honest with you, I had to add some more heat to this because it was at 130 internal when the snake was about halfway through. So I would recommend to you do 3 rows of charcoal with the wood chips instead of just 2 rows like I did. We improvised and we made it happen. So we're at 160 internal. We're gonna wrap this thing. We've still got half the snake left. I had to add some more charcoal to it, but that bark is looking fantastic. Really good right about now, so I like where the color in the bark's at. We're gonna wrap it. Got some locally made Amish butter that we're gonna put on top of this. Been on for about 5.5 hours now. We're shooting for 203, keep that in mind. We're gonna cover it up again. Vents right on top of where the snake is burning. I apologize for the wind. And we're just going to keep an eye on the internal temperature with our ink bird here until it reaches 203. Then we're going to pull it off and let it rest. Poor man's brisket. Alright guys, so here she is. 203 probe tender. To the quick read, we got 203, 204 in some spots. So we pulled it off. We're going to let it rest for 20 minutes. And it should slice and bend just like a brisket. So I'll be right back to show you the end result. So let's just cut this in half, see what we're doing with. This little smoke ring. It looks pretty juicy. Definitely probe tender.
I'm ready to eat it, don't you?
Yeah, we're gonna slice this up. Whoa. Oh, look at that. It's falling apart already. No bend test necessary.
Well, hell, pass one over this way.
Live studio audience. What do you think? Watch out, Rudy.
Sorry, Rudy, but I'm gonna try it.
We'll see what Bill thinks.
Damn, we need a sandwich.
Damn, we need a sandwich, he said. So, the man has spoken. That's a poor man's brisket. That's how you do it. Snake method, Weber kettle. Remember, 3 rows, not 2. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time. More kettle cooks coming. Cat's cooking. See you guys later.